I recently just got this portable handheld steamer for a trip, and it did so amazing on our trip. I actually think that it might be better than my full-size steamer. So what I'm going to do right now is like a little competition between my two steamers, my full-size one versus my portable one. And I'm gonna do half of this dress using this one and half of this dress using this one. And I'm gonna see which one is actually better. So let's see what happens. So I did just the front half of this dress. I realize this is a printed dress, so it's kind of hard to see what's wrinkly and what's not wrinkly. But this is the side I've steamed. You can see it's like nice and smooth. And then if you go to this side, it's like all wrinkly right here and gathered. So this did a good job of steaming. Now let's go ahead and see what the other side ends up looking like after I steam it with the portable steamer. As you can already see, a lot more steam comes out of this little one. Oh, wow. So this side, I use the portable steamer, and between the big steamer and the little steamer, you can see no difference. It did just as good at like 1/10 of the size. Furthermore, the smaller steamer, because of the fact that it's less water, obviously, you don't have to wait that long for it to heat up, as opposed to like this larger steamer takes forever because it's got to heat up all this water. So not only did this steam just as well, it was so much faster. So I definitely think I'm going to be throwing this away. I don't see any benefit to this other than having this, but when I'm traveling, I'm not going to take that with me. So this travel portable steamer is definitely the way to go.